Hey guys, Joey Rahal here with Allison James of Station Homes with the Cox team. Welcome to 43199 Teramo Street in beautiful Paseo Del Sol in South Temecula. Come on guys, let me take you on a tour. Let's check it out. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and 1,350 square feet. Open floor plan from kitchen to the great room. The great room has high ceilings and a custom fireplace. All new interior paint, carpet, and laminate flooring throughout. Upstairs, you'll find the spacious master bedroom with master bath and walk-in closet. The Paseo del Sol community offers 3 community pools, spa, gym, tennis courts, basketball courts, and walking trails. It's close to Abby Reinke Elementary School, restaurants, shopping, wineries, casinos, and the Temecula Valley Hospital with close access to the 15 freeway. If you're interested in viewing this property or any like it, call me at 951-514-8161. We look forward to seeing you soon.